These pictures show Sir Kingsley Wood touring the Supermarine factory on the River Itchen at Woolston in Southampton and inspecting the new Spitfire aircraft at the Eastleigh Aerodrome. Sir Kingsley Wood's first cabinet post was Postmaster General, in which he transformed the British Post Office from a bureaucracy to a business. As Secretary of State for Air in the months before the Second World War, he oversaw a huge increase in the production of warplanes to bring Britain up to parity with Germany. One of the Air Secretary's first actions on the 19th of May 1938 was to hold a meeting with Lord Nuffield, at which he put forward a new plan far bolder and more sweeping than anything discussed in the past. With little consultation, he proposed that Nuffield should build a massive new factory which would begin its work by manufacturing 1,000 Spitfires. This vast order, almost double the total given to Supermarine and more than 3 times that pledged to Fairey, belied Wood's reputation for caution. When the news was made public 2 months later, this was the largest single order for one type of aircraft ever placed.
We believe we shall receive a great response, but I am anxious that it shall be made at once. I invite all interested, therefore, to make their applications immediately, so that we shall, with all speed, obtain the additions to our Air Force that are so necessary to our country today.